Hello, guys. Feels good to close the book finally. It's been a while. I know there's a lot of stuff going up, so. All right, we're going to go live here. We are live. We're going to go ahead and we got a local time of 9:20 here. We're going to go ahead and look at this time, 9:20 here. And we're going to go over to our giveaway. Secret Wars 8, 14 names on the list, all paid up. We're going to do 3 dice. There's our 3 dice. And we're going to go ahead and start this randomization. Next one takes this fine book home. Spot 10. Lisa Joe takes it. I'm going to go ahead and come on down. There's your verification. DLR Del Rey C. Shows, there we go. Got a time of 9:21 here, 9:21 here. And we're going to go back to your 9:21 here. All right, guys, we are done. Congratulations to the winner. And all this will be posted shortly. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.